Please be advised that the contents of this video can be very disturbing to some. This video contains scary content. It is a work of fiction. It is not real. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thanks to Samaryan for the Russian translations. Thanks to Double Tap Rootbeer Man for the German translations.
Oh, hello. My name is Dr. Eric Sigurdsson, Head of Weapons and Materials Research, here at the Black Mesa Research Facility. Our first-rate associates have always designed, developed, and manufactured specialized equipment for an amazing array of advanced scientific disciplines. But don't take my word for it. Let's see what one of our many satisfied business partners has to say.
Thanks, Doc. The Navy and Marine Corps needed a weapons system that offered single-target force projection that allows an operator to eliminate a threat at an extreme range.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. It appears as though extraterrestrial life has appeared through portals known as dimensional rifts through a previously discovered border world known as Xan. These aliens number in the millions, and more vessels appear every minute. The governments are speaking at emergency UN and NATO meetings. The course of action isn't known pending a presidential announcement. Stay tuned for further updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The alien forces have landed in several locations, including the Arctic Ocean, the Mid-Atlantic Ocean, and 50 miles off the coast of the Philippines. Several millions of people have been confirmed to have been killed by aliens deploying from what are most likely troop transports. The presidential announcement will take place in 15 minutes. Stay tuned for further updates.
My fellow Americans, we have been viciously attacked without provocation. I was one of the many millions wounded by enemy attacks. My larynx was severed by shrapnel from one of our jets exploding in midair. I have seen firsthand the barbaric and indiscriminate strategies that our enemies are using against us. I have watched many of my fellow patriots killed and defiled by an enemy of the highest order. I hereby declare with the blessings and firm commitments of all of our fellow nations to use our nuclear arsenals as a last resort. Our military is exhausted, and our cities are burned. But this is no time to surrender. We believe we have located their command vessel, and we intend to take it down, with God as my witness. I hereby proclaim total war on our enemies. To you aliens watching this broadcast, marveling at what you see as stupidity, I hope God has mercy on your souls, you motherless bastards. I have instituted intense conscription laws to replenish our military. Children will now be required to learn marksmanship and logistical expertise. Anyone who is exempt from the aforementioned conscription shall wash clothes and cook food for soldiers. May God be with us.
Listen, listen, humans, you have seen us in Zen before but never noticed. We are the Combine. You are on the list of worlds to conquer as your activities in Zen robbed us of a great victory against the Nihilants. You will now be subjugated by our great empire. Surrender now and you may all live in peace. This is your final chance. For so long our great soldiers attempted occupation of Zen, and for so long that creature destroyed them, but one puny human did what we could not. Bring him to us. We want to see him.
We'll see about that.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The war is over. The president has officially surrendered after reading the number of losses we sustained during the fighting. Due to insurmountable odds stacked against us, the president has declared the war over, and that the Combine is now in power. This is it. Good luck to you all. Ceasing transmissions at the tone.
Confirm, sector not sterile. Copy that. Executing full response. Go active and intercept. Go sharp, go sharp. Don't move. Make position, weapon ready. Taking position advance.
All units begin witness sterilization.